Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randasha, or Randy for short, and in today's video, I know I've been gone for a while, but I didn't want to just pop up on you guys what looks like a new planner, so I wanted to bring you guys this video. And plus some subscribers had asked for a template for me to make my template available, so I will be doing that, and I just wanted to show you guys what I worked on while I've been gone. I'll give you guys like a life update and all that other kind of stuff in the following videos, but for right now I just want to show you the template that I made while I've been gone. Okay, so this is for my budget planner that I've been using for a while now, and I just made it into a template that I'm going to make available on Etsy. So the first page is going to be blank because, like most of you, I am in another budget planner, so I am using the Happy Planner Classic budget planner, and right now I need to set up my June, so I just want to show you guys what I'm using before I set it up. So my template, the first page is intentionally blank so that I can glue the monthly calendar from the Happy Planner budget planner to here. So, or whatever page you want to use, you can make the first page a calendar because my template does not come with a calendar right now. I do intend on making one in the future, but for right now it doesn't have one. So first page is blank, and then you flip the page, and the first page is going to be the monthly drilled down budget portion. So this portion is just like if you're used to the paycheck by paycheck budgeting method, this is basically what it is, but I like to do mine on a monthly view so that I can figure out when to pay what bills, and that's basically what this setup is. So in the paycheck budget, you do your budgeted, and then typically you have like an actual column, but with my template, you have a budgeted column, and then you have one column for each week to help you figure out what week or paycheck. You could do it by paycheck as well. If you get paid weekly, you could figure out what paycheck in order to pay the bills in. So I have done this, or I don't know. Actually, I've been gone and I didn't do my April and May budget on camera. Like, I recorded it, but I never got it up in time, so I haven't posted it. So but you guys should have seen this, but if not, the next following videos will show you how I use this. So the first section, or the first page, has an income section, savings, monthly expenses, cash envelopes, debt, sinking funds, and then you flip it over and it has planned expenses and business expenses. This is what I personally use. This section is for YouTube, so that's what I use. But if you guys become interested in this template and you want to give me some feedback on like how I should restructure this to make it more beneficial for you guys, I'm all ears. So for example, I can make this whole section a planned expenses, or I can make this section just blank and let you guys write in your expenses, or like let you write in what this section is for, and things like that. So after all of that, you got down here a budget summary, so you can write in your totals and make sure that all of your numbers add up. And then on this side, I just did a notes page. And then what's new that I don't think I've shown on camera before is I did come up with my own weekly expenses that mirrors what I have been doing, because in the budget planner by the Happy Planner, I got tired of whiting out the spine where all the color is and whiting out all of this. So I just went ahead and made my own weekly expenses based on what I'm doing now. So if you want to use this weekly expenses, I am going to make these pages, like these two and these two, available separately, just in case you have, like, just in case you like the Happy Planners weekly expenses. I'm going to make this available so you can just pop it in on these pages right here. like I do, just cover up these 2 pages. And so essentially what it would look like is like that. And then you would have, it will go from this page to this page, and then this page to this notes page. And then when you turn the page, you will go over to the Happy Planner's weekly expenses. So that's what I have been doing, but since I just created my own weekly expenses tracker, I will no longer be using the Happy Planner weekly expenses pages. So again, it mirrors exactly what I've been doing in my budget planner, where up here I have an income section. Down here is my unbudgeted section. So anything that doesn't fall into like these areas, and like on this second page is where I will write down my unbudgeted expenses. So basically money that I spent that I didn't intend to spend. And then right here is all of my actual expenses from these 2 pages. So I know this is a lot of flipping around, but I promise you guys, like, it was for a reason, because I just want to show you, just in case. I will be making this a printable, so you will be able to print it on regular size paper, and it does have the crop marks or the cut lines for you to just cut it out. You won't have to measure or anything like that. You just cut it out, and it will be the size of the 7x9 Happy Planner pages. So, and I'll show you guys that in a second as well. So in my budget planner, I'm only using 2 weekly expenses. So for mine, I'm making just 1 week and then 2 weeks. So that's all I need, but I will be making a version where you can use it where there's 2 weekly expenses. So it's going to be a bi-monthly version where there's 2 weekly expenses, a bi-weekly version where there's 3 weekly expenses, because typically if you're paid bi-weekly, like every other Friday, then typically you have 2 months out of the year where you are paid 3 times in a month. So you will need that that extra 3rd weekly expense. And then I will have a weekly version where it has 5 weekly expense pages. So just in case you don't want to do the weekly expense by paycheck and you just want to track your expenses, you could do that. And then as well, I wanted to make this section and this section the same, because I know not everyone budgets like me. So not everyone is going to write all of their expenses down right here and then use this as unbudgeted like I do. So I wanted to make them the same, so that if you wanted to just treat this as an extra expenses section, so your expenses actually start right here and then you carry it on over here. If you want to, you could just like white this out and then white out this title and just call it expenses. And then, you know, you still have your expense total and your savings total down here. You can do that. So I think it's very flexible, and I think it'll fit the needs of a lot of budgeters that are trying to figure out when to pay their bills. So especially those who have an irregular income, you can start with what you think is going to come in. So in the budgeted column, what you think is going to come in, and then map out like when you want to pay that bill. And then if something happens where you can't pay the bill in like week 1 or paycheck 1, then you can move it over to column 2 and see what that, like, see how moving the expense from week 1 or paycheck 1 to paycheck 2 affects your budget. And then you can use the weekly expense to track your expenses for that week or for that paycheck. So I think it's very flexible, but I'm sure there's room for improvement. You guys just let me know down in the comments what you think and how you think I can improve, or what little tweaks and things like that you would like to see. But otherwise, yeah, it's just weekly expenses. And then on the last page, it's just another note section. So just in case you want to put something on the back of here that you already have, like in an existing expense planner, or budget planner rather. So I tried to like think of, if you don't want to use like strictly just my template and you want to put it together with another budget planner that you have, then I was trying to think of ways to allow you guys to just like seamlessly put in my template with something else, or just use my template by itself. So yeah, so just to show you guys this all cut down. So this is it all cut down and punched with the Happy Planner punch. So let me move this out of the way and then just show you guys how it looks matched up to the Happy Planner pages. So like I said, I do have to do my June, so I'm just going to take out the June calendar from my budget planner because that's all I need, and I'm going to glue it to that. The rest of the pages from June I am going to leave in the Happy Planner budget planner because I'm not going to use them. So yeah. So let me go ahead and do that. So this is my planner right now, and as you see, like I've already been using it. This was May. I didn't do May on camera with you guys. I set it up on camera, but then I realized that by the time I was going to post it, I needed to post it. It was going to be too late. I needed to already be showing you guys June. So and the same thing with April. So my timing just has been off, but I did record me setting up May. I didn't record anything else. And for April, I did record myself setting up April and doing the full budget. But like I said, if you guys want to see that, I definitely can edit it and post it sometime, but I don't know if you guys will be interested since it's already so late. But I mean, it would just be a casual plan with me at this point, or a decorate with me. So I'm just going to tape this Happy Planner page to my template planner so I can show you guys how seamless it is. My template is once you cut it. It's really easy. You just print it out on regular letter size paper, cut it down, and there you go. So right now I think I am going to make my template available in the 7x9. So for those of you who want to use my template with your Happy Planner, you can do so. But if you guys want different sizes, then I can work on that as well. I was thinking when I go ahead and set up my Etsy shop, we'll go ahead and make the template available in 7x9 and letter size. But other than those sizes, anything smaller, I would have to revamp kind of like the sizing of my template, so there would be less lines and things like that. So I mean, I could make it for a mini, but it would be much smaller, and I think I would only do 3 columns. I don't think I would do the full 5 because it would be, you would have no writing space. So if you guys want to see it in the mini Happy Planner size, let me know down in the comments, or if you want to see it in the A5 or half letter. I don't think I would do it in A5 and half letter. I think I would pick one or the other, and since I'm using the half letter, I would lean more towards the half letter size. But seeing as how there have been like recent releases in A5 sizes, I could see how there would be demand for it, but I don't know, may not be demand for this template at all. But you guys just let me know what you guys want to see. So starting from the front, this is the June Happy Planner budget planner calendar. I will make my own calendars probably sometime soon, but for now I'm using the Happy Planner one. I think I will probably use the rest of the calendars from the Happy Planner budget planner, but still make my template available with the calendar later on, because I do intend to use this for 2022 and make this a full-blown planner, like budget planner, so with more pages and things like that. So yeah, but here goes the income, income, savings, monthly expenses, cash envelopes, debt, sinking funds, and then planned expenses, business expenses. And again, this page I can definitely like switch around and things like that. So, and then the budget summary, and excuse the printing on this one, like this is going to be my personal one, so my printer was acting a little wonky when it was printing this, but it still came out pretty good. So I don't like to waste paper if I don't have to. So the notes page, weekly expenses 1, weekly expenses 2, and then a notes page for the following month. And there you have it. That is my new budget planner template that I wanted to show you guys, just so in the next couple of videos you guys won't be like, what the heck, where did you bring this planner, or where did this planner come from, what happened to the Happy Planner budget planner, and things like that, and just give you guys an update on what I'm using now. So if you are interested in this template, then if it's available, I will be working on setting up an Etsy shop to make these available. If it is already available by the time I post this video, then I will leave the links down in the description. But either way, I'll let you guys know when it is available if it's not available as of the posting of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.